Hello guys, I am Shantanu Udasi from Analytics India magazine. We know that these are testing times for entire India and we would like to highlight the good news that has been coming out from the tech world as tech firms are stepping forward to do their bit in solving this horrific situation that we presently are experiencing in India. These tech companies are showing support for India in whichever way is possible for them. Like Google has announced that they are going to donate $18 million, which is equivalent of 135 crore rupees to COVID relief fund in India. This donation includes two grants from google.org and Google's philanthropic arm totaling 20 crore Indian national rupees. The first is to Give India to provide cash assistance to families that are hit hardest by the crisis to help with their everyday expenses. The second will go to UNICEF to help get urgent medical supplies including oxygen and testing equipment. Google is also running a company-wide employee charity campaign and together their employees have collected 3.7 crore rupees to support high-risk and marginal communities. CEO of Microsoft Satya Nadella has also tweeted his grief and condolences to India, and he has said that he is devastated by this situation and he is going to offer help in any which way possible. India is facing an acute shortage of oxygen and the CEO of Microsoft has said that they are going to support the purchase of oxygen concentration devices. There is also a people's movement going around all of social media where people are helping each other with finding resources and emergency situations are being solved by the people themselves. This is happening on Twitter as well, and Twitter has put forward a move to support these people and to support this people's movement with some new features. These new features are Twitter Advanced Search. The feature Advanced Search can help in filtering for fields like a specific hashtag, time period or tweet from a particular account. Tweets near you. If you would like to see tweets that are close to current location, type in a relevant hashtag in the search bar, tap the toggle button on the top right and turn on Near You under Location. You will have to turn on your location settings for this to work. You can also make sure that the most recent news are the top of your timeline by tapping the sparkle button on the top right of your home timeline. Recently, Tata Mahindra has also announced that they are going to conduct a vaccination drive for their employees and family members of their employees, and they have started this drive on 15th April. They have started this drive in the national capital and they have joined hands with Fortis Healthcare to initiate the first phase of this drive. The company is obviously bearing the cost of vaccinations and they are providing this service to third-party employees as well. And they have also urged their employees to register themselves for the government vaccine on the Cowin app or the Arogya Setu app. The Indian IT giant Infosys has announced that they have set up COVID care centers for their employees and their families with appropriate medical staff and monitoring systems. Currently, these centers are open at Pune and Bengaluru, but Infosys is making sure that they open these care centers all over India. Their official statement also mentioned that the operation in Pune is being handled by Ruby Hall Hospital and by Manipal Hospitals in Bengaluru. To support the recent surge of COVID cases in Bengaluru, Bosch, the German tech company, has turned its indoor sports complex into a COVID isolation facility for asymptomatic people and people with mild symptoms. This facility has 70 beds and has proper healthcare and medical facilities including trained staff as authorized by the civic bodies of Bengaluru. The tech company HCL is also taking workload off from Indian employees and distributing it over worldwide, and they are taking very understanding approach and their clients are also understanding the severity of this situation. In their official statement, they have mentioned that 30% of their work base is outside India and in places where there are less COVID cases and the vaccination drive is going on in full swing. So they are giving out the work to those geographical areas and taking the workload off from Indian employees who are in duress currently. We are hoping that we continue to support each other through these times in whatever capacity we can, and do your part. Please wash your hands, please wear a mask, don't step out of your house unless it is absolutely necessary. We are in this fight together and together we can get through this pandemic. Please, if you liked this video, click on that thumbs up, subscribe to Analytics India magazine for your daily dosage of positive tech news.